Hello everyone. Today I will be talking to you about Azure NetApp Files supported network topologies. Specifically, connectivity to a volume in a local VNET. A basic scenario is to create or connect to an Azure NetApp Files volume from a VM in the same VNET. For VNET 1 in the diagram here, Volume 1 is created in a delegated subnet and can be mounted on VM1 in the default subnet within the same virtual network. This network topology is known as a local VNET topology and is supported by Azure NetApp Files for volume creation and connectivity. Let's move on to next steps. Now, I am in the Azure portal under the Volumes Mount Instructions blade. Follow the steps under Setting up your Azure instance, if you haven't installed the NFS client already. If you need to install the NFS utils, then select your Linux distribution and run the install commands appropriate for your Linux systems. Next, I will follow the instructions under Mounting your file system section. Mounting the NFS volume consists of 3 steps that we will use to verify that our local VNet network topology allows us to connect to the volume from a virtual machine within the same VNet. First step creates a directory, in this case the directory name is Volume 1. Step 2 allows you to select a mount target IP address. In my case I will use the default IP address. Last step is to run the mount command. Let's move on to mounting the volume. I will now demonstrate these 3 steps from my virtual machine. We know that Volume 1 and VM1 are in the same virtual network, which is supported by Azure NetApp Files. Now let's run through our mounting steps. I have copied step 1 of mounting steps we viewed a second ago. I will paste the command to create a directory called Volume 1. Now I will run the ls command to make sure that the Volume 1 directory is there. Okay, we verified directory is there. Now we can run our mount command to mount the volume and verify it is mounted. I will copy and paste mount command in the terminal. Now I've run the command and it returned with no error. Now I will run a df-h. Just to verify the volume is mounted. As we can see, it is now mounted. This is how you mount to an Azure NetApp Files volume from a local VNet network topology. For more information on Azure NetApp Files supported network topologies, click the link in the description. Have a good day.